up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about oatmeal. Oatmeal is a thing you can eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a midnight snack. Go to the store and you go and buy a huge box of oatmeal, right? After you buy that box of oatmeal, you pull out one of the packets and it looks just like this. It does not look ready when you pull it out of the package because there's steps on the back side. The 4 things you need for making oatmeal is a bowl, milk, oatmeal, a microwave. Since we have all the materials needed, we will now pour the oatmeal into the bowl. Boom! Here comes the really tricky and complicated part. Now, you have to use this package, pour the milk to the fill line. That's a lot of milk, Mom. And then you pour it in the oatmeal. Oh yeah. Stir the condiments with a spoon. Take this and put it into the shut the microwave, add a timer for 1 to 2 minutes. Oh shoot! Oh my! I put this metal spoon in there. Ow, put it back in the microwave. And start up the timer again. While you are waiting for your food to cook, here is some random content from Mr. Crispy. Oh my gosh! It's the call of the wild! Enjoy your oatmeal. Make sure you subscribe for more life hacks from your boy. Also, leave a comment down below what I should do next.